hope you guys are doing great. If you're new, hi, my name is Himadri and I do post fashion and makeup related content on my channel. कैसा चल रहा है आपका quarantine? Let me know in the comments down below if you have discovered any new talents. I would love to know. Alright, coming back onto today's video. Today I will be teaching you all how I got this full face of makeup using only affordable drugstore products that are under ₹1000. Yes, you heard me right. So if you guys are interested, then you should definitely keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I'm going to start with a clean face. I just cleansed my face using a mild cleanser and now I'm going to apply some moisturizer. Always remember to use a good moisturizer. It's very important if you want to have a flawless looking base, because if you have any dry patches, it might not look very flattering once you put your makeup on. Your foundation and concealer might emphasize any dry patches and that's not a cute look. So tip number 1, always use a good moisturizer if you want a flawless looking skin. And today for the moisturizer, I will be using the Pond's Superlight Gel. This moisturizer is perfect for the summer season. It feels so lightweight on the skin, it gets absorbed instantly, and also it does not feel sticky or oily whatsoever, which is great. So if you have normal, combination or oily skin, definitely give this a try. Alright, so I'm going to quickly pin my hair away from my face so I don't get any makeup on my hair. Like that. Chalo, let's start with foundation, and the foundation I'll be using today is the Makeup Revolution Stick Foundation in the shade F12. It gives a very nice dewy finish on the skin and it is also very inexpensive. I have done a full dedicated review on this particular product. I'll leave it in the description box below, so definitely check that out. But today I will be using this particular foundation. Some other drugstore foundations that I really enjoy using should be this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Desert Beige. I also like using this Super Stay foundation from Maybelline in this shade Sun Beige. And lastly, if you're looking for an affordable medium to high coverage foundation, I would suggest you to go for the Nykaa Anti-Pollution Foundation, and for shade reference I use the shade 12 True Tap. So I'm going to draw a few lines on my face and blend it out using a damp beauty sponge. Start by applying very less amount of foundation, and later on if you feel that you need more coverage, you can definitely go ahead and add more coverage like I'm going to do here. So I think that I require more coverage on this area of my face, so I'm just going to apply a little bit over here and on my forehead right there and here. That's it. I'm not going to add another full-on layer on my face because that would eventually make my face look very cakey. Next, for concealer, I'm going to start by spot concealing my face, and then I'll go ahead and apply concealer under my eyes. And to do that, I will be using the Pac Take Cover Concealer. I'm going to use this concealer where I have blemishes or acne marks. I don't like using this particular concealer under my eyes because I find this way too drying for my under eyes. As you can see, I'm applying this concealer only on the areas where I need more coverage. And I'm going to blend it out using the same sponge. And for my under eyes, I will be using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Caramel. To highlight my face, I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. Some other drugstore concealers that I really enjoy using should be the Sugar Cosmetics Concealer in the shade Corn Panna and the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Deep Tan. To set my under eyes, I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 25. Before I set my concealer, I'll make sure that I have no creases under my eyes. To fill in my brow brows, I will be using the Maybelline Nudes eyeshadow palette, and I will be using this shade and this shade together. I'm still not sure what look I'm going for. I'm just going with the flow. Now for the eyes, I'm going to prep my eyelids using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. For the eyeshadow today, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette. And I will start off by using this beautiful color. And I'll place it on the outer edge of the eye and slowly diffuse it inwards. And taking a clean brush, I'm going to diffuse the edges. I'll cut my crease using a concealer and set it with a white loose powder. Next, I'll take the Nykaa Eyes on Me 10-in-1 eyeshadow palette in the shade Sundowner Stunner. And taking this beautiful metallic rose color, I'll apply this on the inner portions of my eye. Next, taking this one, I'll apply this on the center areas of my eye. Taking the same transition color to deepen up the crease. To add some glitter, I'll be using this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow in the shade Rose Gold. Next, I'll use the Sugar Cosmetics Double Matte eyeshadow in the shade Black. For the mascara, I'll be using the Loreal Lash Paradise. For the lashes, I will be using the Pac M72 lashes. Alrighty guys, the other eye is done, and now I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. And for that, I will be using the same shade that I used earlier, and I'll take a very small detailer brush and pick that color, dust off the excess. I like to look up when I'm smoking out my lower lash line, so I know exactly where I'm placing the eyeshadow, and it makes the whole process a little more easy. For the blush today, I'll be using the Blushing of Love by Swiss Beauty, and this is in the number 03, and this is how the product looks like. This blush has a little bit of highlighter and sheen to it, so if you're not into these kind of blushes, I would suggest you to use another blush that has a matte finish. This product is pretty pigmented, so I'm going to remove any excess product and apply it on the apples of my cheeks. Also a little bit over my nose. And for bronzer today, I'll be using the Sugar Cosmetics Contour Face Palette, and I'll take this shade right here. I believe this palette is not very affordable. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any affordable bronzer, so I'm going to work with this today. Also, if you're planning on trying these products but you don't have the budget, like this, I have their blushes, they have highlighters, contour shades, which I think is really great if you want to try out their products. And these singles are very affordable comparatively, so definitely check that out. So I'm going to pick up this product and apply it on the parameters of my face. I'll be using the Nykaa Shimmer Brick in the shade Good Old Gold, and if you have been following me for a while, you saw this coming. I have been using this highlighter non-stop ever since I got this. It is so inexpensive and such a beautiful product. I'm going to apply this product on the inner portions of my eye, also on my brow bone and the highest points of my face. For the lipstick, I'll be using the Specta Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Elista. This is the final look, you guys. I really love the way it turned out, and the fact that I've only used affordable products today products that are under ₹1,000. I achieved this look. I am literally shocked right now. Let me know in the comments down below what do you guys think of this look, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. All the products are mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And before leaving, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Mwah.